It's fun, top rated.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I recorded my last video, but things were kind of crazy over the summer. However, for this video today, I want to share with you guys how I got this makeup look. Over the summer, I was sent some products from Cosmetics, and as I said, it's designed for women of color. So I'm just going to be showing you guys some of the products that I used in the video that I was sent. I didn't get to use everything in this tutorial, but of course there will be other tutorials for you guys to check out the products in. So the point of this video was really just to share with you guys how the products work, to show you how I use them, techniques, and I do a lot of tweaking. You guys know I tweak everything, so I didn't use some of the products for their intended purpose, but this just goes to show you the versatility of the products that I did use. A lot of times we find it very hard to find products that fit our skin type and that really work well on us. So that's what this cosmetic line is designed for. So I used their foundation in this video. I also used their contouring stick, and this one is in number 3. It has a lighter side and a darker side, so I'm guessing one side is for highlights and the other one for contour. I love this so much. And the pigmentation of their products is absolutely amazing. Their products are very pigmented. I use this gold shadow a lot as well, and I'm just going to swatch it so you guys can see. Do you see that? It's very pigmented, and therefore you don't need to use a lot of the products because a little bit goes a long way. I use a lot of the stuff. 98% of the products that I use in this video are from Cosmetics, even though not everything was from Cosmetics. So I'm going to show you guys how I tweak the foundation, especially because it was a little light for me. So I'm going to show you guys how I get it to match my skin tone a lot better. Yeah guys, of course I always just incorporate tricks that you guys can use when you're applying your makeup so that it fits you a whole lot better. So just stay tuned if you want to see how I achieve this look, and if you want to hear more about the cosmetic line, just stay tuned, keep watching the video. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing to me. Welcome to my channel, and all those who stay subscribed over the summer while I was gone, thank you guys for staying subscribed to me. Yeah, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.
Okay queens, the first aim here is some flawless eyebrows. So today I'm going to be using my perfect eyebrow stick from Cosmetics. This one is in the color number 2, which is a really nice matte brown. This product was really designed to give you a lot of control when you're defining your eyebrows so that you have a really nice natural looking finish. The consistency is much like that of a eyebrow pencil or an eyeliner, so it gives a very nice natural looking matte finish. Even though it isn't necessary, I'm just going to use the lighter side of the contouring stick from Cosmetics as well, just to give me a really nice, flawless, clean-cut finish to my eyebrows. I'm going to be taking the orange corrector from the Corrector on Concealer palette from Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying that all over my lid, around my eyes, and also around my mouth and chin. This is just going to cancel out some of the darkness on the face so that when I do apply my foundation, everything looks really nice and flawless, and there's no discoloration whatsoever. To brighten the lids and to act as a base for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the lighter side of the contouring stick one more time. The first color I'll be using is this really beautiful gold shimmer shadow, and this is in the color number 1. I'm going to apply that, and then I'm going to define the outer V of my eye with the waterproof smoky eyeliner from Cosmetics in the color brown. Feel for a girl like you, feel like me. Before you have your doubts, just wait and see. To add some more smoke to the look, I'm going to be taking the matte black shadow from Cosmetics, and that eyeshadow is in the color number 10. The key to a really good smoky eye is the gradual blending of the colors, and then I'm just going to highlight my brow bone with just a regular pressed powder. To bring some focus to the eyes and to accentuate the shape and color of the eyes, I'm going to line my upper and lower lash line with the blackest pencil I could find, which is the Smoky Waterproof Black Eyeliner from Cosmetics. I'm also going to smudge my lower lash line with some of the matte black shadow as well. Off camera, I went ahead and applied some mascara and also some lashes, and I primed my face with my Coverall primer from Wet n Wild. Now for my foundation, I'm taking the Full Coverage Cream Foundation from Black Cosmetics, and the info for the product will be in the description bar, guys. As you guys can see, it's a little light for me, so what I'm going to do is use the darker side of the contouring stick just to mix that and give me a balance that will be more suitable for my skin tone. I'm going to blend that out with my powder brush from e.l.f. and I love this brush so much. It's a good brush to invest in because it works well with creams, liquids, as well as powders. I'm going to highlight, of course, with the lighter side once more, and I did do some reverse contouring as well.
Everything about you.
To ensure that everything is nice and blended, I do go back in with different brushes, and I also go back in with my beauty blender.
Remember the first time me see you smile. Remember the first time me see you cry. Remember everything about you, girl. Remember the first time me take you up.
To contour, I'm taking the darker side of the contour stick, and I'm just going to use that to create a shadowed effect around my face. I love the way this product just blends out easily without too much effort, but it still gives you that really nice chiseled jawline.
I remember about you, girl.
I always like to go in with the same brush I use for my foundation. This just gives me an overall blend of all the products that I applied on my face. Yes, girl. I'm going to go in and set the highlighted areas of my face with my Deluxe finishing powder from Black Opal, and this one is in medium. I'm going to allow that to sit on my face for a little while, and once it's been baking for a little bit, I'm going to dust away the excess, and I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with a face powder of my choice. Now, I'm not going to be using a blush, so I'm going to be contouring once more, just to give me, you know, the kind of effect a blush would give. I'm just going to add some more contour, and then for a glow, I'm going to be taking that same gold eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using that as a highlighter on my high points of my cheeks, as well as on the bridge of my nose, guys. This is a trick that I've been using a lot. I love the way it makes the face look like it's glowing, and it really just adds a lot of highlight to the face. Now for the lips, I'm actually using the same brown smoky eyeliner. Yes, I use eyeliner for my mouth. I'm just blending this out so that I have a guideline. For my lips, I'm going to be mixing 2 lip balms. These are the Nude lip balms from Black Cosmetics. All the 6 shades are designed for women of color, and today I mixed number 4, which is the Nude Old Rose. I mixed that with number 2, the Nude Cinnamon, and of course to finalize the eyes, I'm going to add some glow by using that same shadow in the tear duct. And this is the completed look, my queens. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out Black Cosmetics. All their links will be in the description bar below, as well as the link to their website to check out the products. Really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and also follow my Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
But why would you lie to me and to yourself? Really, it's okay. If you wanna move on, just do what you gotta do, and I'll go my way. Even though your actions show that you might be still in love with me, you still enjoy